Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is multi-purpose Mockup PSD file for Photoshop C plus version and CS plus version. Okay, and these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK buy now for lifetime, and here is my Facebook page. I will provide every video here like YouTube channel. Last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Subscribe me, and I will provide every link first here. Okay, so here is voucher and catalog, mock-up, business card, coffee, juice bottle, medicine, paper bag, and here is phone mock-up 1.13 GB. So you can use as a photo frame. For example, open this one, and now we need a image. Shadow overlay, here is smart object, here is image, and here is a background. Smart object. Okay, paste your design. We need a photo. Girls, here is high definition. Oh, 2000. Enter. You see our images here, so you can import your own design. No. Next is business card. Here is 4 templates. Coffee cup. Wow. Your image here, image 2. Control S. You see, depend your own choice. You can import your own design or own writing here. Press Control S and convert here. Next is juice bottle. Okay, and here is medicine, paper bag, and here is a phone mock-up like iPhone. So I say again, follow me on Facebook. Here is a Sheri SK app for password. Last is my Telegram channel for every link here. Take care, love.